Are you fascinated about indoor plants but worried about maintenance? Well, today we have something special for you. Introducing vining and climbing houseplants that thrive in water, perfect for adding a touch of nature to your home. No green thumb required. Let's dive into our list. String of hearts. First up is the charming string of hearts. Growing this plant in water is a breeze. With heart-shaped leaves and white patterns, all it needs is bright, indirect sunlight. And don't forget to change the water every 7 to 10 days. Simple, isn't it? Pothos. Next, meet pothos, a stunning houseplant often confused with philodendron. You'll love the ease of growing any pothos variety in water, especially in a warm spot with bright, indirect light. Rex begonia vine. The Rex begonia vine stands out with unique foliage that adds elegance to any space. It's easily propagated in water, thriving in bright spots without harsh direct sunlight. Inch plant. Introducing the inch plant, also known as wandering dew. This plant is not only easy to grow in water, but flourishes in bright, indirect sunlight all day long. Step-by-step tutorial to get started. Cebu blue pothos. Add a touch of magic with the magnificent hue of Cebu blue pothos. Just subject it to bright, indirect sunlight and change the water regularly to watch it thrive. English ivy. Both English ivy and its lookalike, wax ivy, are easy to propagate and grow in water. Their lush green foliage looks spectacular. Learn more about growing ivy in water through our detailed guide. Philodendron. Philodendron is one of the most popular houseplants, requires minimum care, and adapts beautifully to indoor environments. A glass of water and bright indirect sunlight are all it needs. Swiss cheese plant. Another favorite is the Swiss cheese plant, or Monstera deliciosa. Follow our guide to take a cutting from a healthy plant and grow it in a warm, well-lit spot. Silver vine. Bring the beauty of silver vine into your home. Known for purifying the air, it's a fantastic addition, requiring just regular water changes. Arrowhead vine. Finally, discover the arrowhead vine, native to Central and South America. Its arrowhead leaves and tolerance for lower light conditions make it one of the best indoor vines that grow in water. Isn't it amazing how these beautiful vines can adorn your home without worrying about soil or extensive care? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!